So we're talking today about collaboration in meetings. There are a lot of products that address that subject in the Pro AV industry. We don't do a lot with those, and the real reason is those products are turnkey. They don't require installation, and even though they're in a lot of meeting rooms, I think people just go online and they buy them and they have their facilities guys hang them. And for that reason, we don't sell a lot of those. We do the installations where things need to be installed in the ceiling, on the walls, and the floor. That's us. There's a number of players out there, new ones and old ones. There's companies like Vibe and Neat. They used to be called smartboards. In fact, that's kind of like the generic name for them still. They come with mobile floor stands, big video displays, so more than one person can be at the screen. You know, if they're creatives, they can mark up a drawing or an illustration. It could also be, you know, for looking at a floor plan or a map or a circuit board or a schematic. There's a lot of different things you can use these for collaborating with people. And a lot of times they're tied into other locations for using Zoom. There still is the projector, you know, the ultra short throw projector and the whiteboard. You know, smart technology's really pioneered. They do still have those, but they're basically big touchscreen TVs. But they're great products. That's for collaboration in meeting rooms.